Meet Bipin, an Indian businessman. Bipin is a 40-year-old businessman with a growing business in the UK, Germany and would like to expand the business to the USA. Bipin resides in Mumbai where he was born with his wife and 2 children. His eldest daughter Maria is a music student at a university in Italy. Bipin spends approximately 6 months per year traveling from India to both the UK and Germany for business and to Italy to visit Maria. Even with his expanded 60-page passport which he pays an extra fee for, must apply for a new passport about twice a year to accommodate the sheer number of visas he requires to conduct his business. The hassle of submitting visa applications and applications for passport renewals is becoming a burden for Bipin, who wishes he could grow his businesses and visit his daughter without added obstacles. Additionally, Bipin's 2 children in Mumbai will one day be thinking about university and he wants them to be able to study abroad, especially in the USA, without having to worry that lengthy visa application processes. The ever-increasing unhealthy environment for his family due to COVID-19 is also becoming an increasing concern for Bipin. One day he met his long-distance relative, Uncle Sam, who is a wise man with years of experience. He introduced Bipin to Granada Citizenship by Investment Program. What is Granada Citizenship by Investment Program? The program provides a route for eligible reputable applicants and their families to obtain citizenship of Granada in return for a significant investment in the country. The program was established in August 2013 and is one of the most long-standing, robust programs of its kind. It has received several accolades in its years of operation. How can the citizenship of Granada help Bipin? The Granada Citizenship by Investment Program allows family members to be included in an application. Granada's Citizenship by Investment Program is one of the most family-friendly programs in the world. Bipin may include his wife and 3 children in his application for citizenship in Granada, subject to the fulfillment of certain conditions. The following family members are eligible for citizenship: a spouse, minor children, adult children up to and including the age of 30, parents, grandparents, spouses' parents and grandparents. Citizens of Granada can travel without a visa to over 140 countries and territories worldwide. With the citizenship of Granada, Bipin would benefit from the extensive number of visa-free and visa-on-arrival agreements. Granada has negotiated with other countries, which would mean he could expand his businesses without facing the unnecessary bureaucracy of endless visa applications. Easy access to the USA through E2 visa. Grenada is the only Caribbean island offering citizenship by investment that has an E2 visa treaty with the USA. With a Grenada passport, Bipin can apply for an E2 visa and can expand his business to the USA, which allows giving easy access to children's education. Better education for children's. The citizens of Grenada have greater access to world-class education with citizenship of Grenada. Bipin would not face any barriers to visiting his children studying abroad as long as they are studying in the country with which Grenada has a visa-free agreement. Moreover, Grenada's status as a member of the Commonwealth of Nations comes with added educational benefits in the UK. For instance, Commonwealth citizens are eligible for a number of scholarships for postgraduate education up to PhD level. Additionally, citizens of Grenada have access to robust healthcare systems. With the citizenship of Grenada, Bipin and his family would be entitled to receive health care in Grenada, a country with a robust unencumbered health system, where delivering high-quality health care is top of mind. Grenada has risen from the height of the COVID-19 pandemic with one of the lowest infection rates in the world and a death toll of 0, an indication of the country's ability to face a health process as well as the quality of life on the island. Apply for second citizenship today and secure your family's future with Grenada's Citizenship by Investment Program. Visit ctrustglobal.com to get started.